Hi everyone, my name is Farah Stumpf, and today I'm excited to walk you through my Spring One project, a to-do list application. This project demonstrates how we can leverage JavaScript to create an interactive web-based tool that helps users organize and manage their tasks efficiently. Um, so let's start by showing the front end of the project. Adding a task. So here I can type a task description like buy grocery and oops. Okay, and the app ensures I cannot pick a past date, which helps me stay on track, but that's why it's looking grayed out. And so I'll say tomorrow, and here is a task. I can toggle through my task. I can add another one like clean the house and homework. CSE 340, no, CSE 310 homework. Oops. Okay, so tasks are automatically grouped by their due dates. If I add multiple tasks for the same day, they're neatly organized under the same section, like you can see here. Click, each group has a toggle button to expand or collapse the task, making it easy to keep my list tidy. And then when I finish a task, I can check it off. The task moves to the completed task section and is styled with a strike through and lighter color to indicate its completion. I can also, let's say this was a mistake, and then it'll go back here. I can also remove the task. So if I no longer need a task, I can delete it with a single click. So yeah, that's the front end of my project. So now let's dive into the code and explore how it works. Okay, so my code has event listeners. For example, I use um, the add event listener to detect when the add task button is clicked or when a task is marked complete. The app ensures users select valid days using JavaScript date object. The function format date converts dates into a readable format like January 22, 2024, if needed. And the move task function handles transferring tasks between groups, such as when marking them as completed or incomplete. I also added logic to handle edge cases, such as empty task groups being removed automatically. I also use CSS to style the application, ensuring that it is visually appealing and user-friendly. And I also make sure that the colors, like I select the colors from a color palette to also make sure that it was looking professional. And now, if I have more time, I'd like to enhance this project by adding drag and drop functionality for reordering tasks. I also would like to allow users to edit tasks after they've been added and that they are group here or I order by date. Like if you see it says January 26th, January 30th, but then it adds them as they come orders them as I type them instead of by the date. So I wish I could do better. This project was really fun and a really rewarding experience. It demonstrated how JavaScript can bring static web pages to life by adding interactive and functionality. And I hope you enjoyed the demo, and I'd like to hear your feedback or ideas for improvements. Okay.